Today I'm going to teach you how to add or remove visual borders in Power BI. This is a simple but effective way to make your reports look more polished and help important visuals stand out on your dashboard. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your Power BI desktop application. Once it loads up, you'll see your workspace with all your visuals and reports ready to work with. The next step is to click on the specific visual where you want to add or remove a border. This could be any chart, table, or graph you've created in your report. Selecting it will bring up the formatting options we need. Now shift your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll see the Visualizations pane. This is where all the magic happens for customizing how your visuals look. In this pane, click on the Format icon. It usually looks like a paint roller, and it's your gateway to all the visual styling options Power BI offers. After clicking the Format icon, you'll see several categories appear. Click on General to open the General Formatting tab. This section contains broader settings that apply to the entire visual rather than just specific elements like axes or data labels. It's where you'll find controls for things like titles, backgrounds, and borders. Within the General tab, scroll down and click on Effects. This will expand a menu with various visual enhancements you can apply. The Effects section is where Power BI lets you add shadows, backgrounds, and of course borders to make your visuals more distinctive. Now you should see an option labeled Visual Border. This is exactly what we're looking for. Right beside it, there's a toggle button. Click this toggle to turn it on, and you'll immediately see a border appear around your selected visual. It's that simple to activate the border feature. If you want to customize how the border looks, click on Visual Border itself to expand the options. This reveals all the controls for fine-tuning your border's appearance. You can click on the color picker to change the border color to match your report's theme or branding. Additionally, you can adjust the rounded corners slider to make the edges softer or sharper, and there's also a width slider that lets you control how thick or thin the border appears. Play around with these settings until you get the look you want. And there you have it. You now have a visual border applied to your chart. If at any point you decide you want to remove the border, the process is just as easy. Simply click the toggle button beside Visual Border again, and it will disappear instantly. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to add and customize visual borders in Power BI to make your reports more visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.